Hello and welcome back to our channel Kasho Healthy TV. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, a home remedy to remove dental plaque and tartar and prevent cavities. Dental hygiene is crucial for maintaining healthy teeth and gums, so let's dive right in. Before we jump into the remedy, let's quickly understand what causes dental plaque and tartar. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that forms on our teeth, while tartar is a hardened form of plaque. If left untreated, they can lead to cavities, gum disease, and other oral health problems. The first step to tackle dental plaque and tartar is maintaining a proper oral hygiene routine. Brush your teeth at least twice a day using a soft bristle toothbrush and Floramid toothpaste. Remember to brush for at least 2 minutes, covering all surfaces of your teeth. Focus on using gentle, circular motions to clean both the front and back of your teeth, as well as the chewing surfaces. Don't forget to brush your tongue gently, as it can also harbor bacteria. Along with brushing, flossing plays a vital role in removing plaque from areas your toothbrush cannot reach. Take about 18 inches of dental floss and wrap it around your fingers. Slide the floss gently between your teeth and move it up and down to remove any trapped food, particles, and plaque. Aim to floss at least once a day, preferably before bedtime, to ensure a thorough clean. Now, let's move on to our home remedy that can help remove dental plaque and tartar. This remedy involves a simple ingredient that most of us already have in our kitchens: baking soda. Baking soda is known for its natural whitening and antimicrobial properties, making it a fantastic addition to our oral care routine. Here's how you can use it to remove plaque and tartar. Step 1. Take a small amount of baking soda and wet your toothbrush. Step 2. Gently brush your teeth for about 2 minutes, paying special attention to areas with plaque or tartar buildup. Step 3. Spit out the baking soda mixture and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Step 4. Follow up with your regular toothpaste to freshen your breath and continue protecting your teeth. While home remedies can be effective, it's essential to visit your dentist regularly. For professional cleanings, dentists use specialized tools like dental scalers to remove stubborn tartar that cannot be eliminated through brushing alone. Remember, prevention is key. By maintaining good oral hygiene, incorporating our baking soda remedy, and visiting your dentist regularly, you can keep dental plaque and tartar at bay, preventing cavities and promoting overall oral health. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more oral care tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep smiling.